A to Z English alphabets for kids. A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for dog, dog. E for elephant, elephant. F for fish, fish. G for goat, goat. H for house, house. I for ice cream, ice cream. J for juice, juice. K for kite, kite. L for lion, lion. M for monkey, monkey. N for nest, nest. O for orange, orange. P for parrot, Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, rabbit. S for sweet, sweet. T for tree, tree. U for umbrella, umbrella. V for van, van. W for whale, whale. X for xylophone, xylophone. Y for yak, yak. Z for zebra, zebra.